how to make a stand and please donate on Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a stand just like this with donation buttons within the Roblox Mobile app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Roblox Mobile app on your iPhone or Android phone. And once you get logged in, select More in the bottom menu. Once you select More, simply scroll down and select Create. Once Create opens, all we need to do is select the three lines next to Home and then select Creations. From there, you'll see all the places that you have on Roblox. By default, you should have one place and you want to make sure it's public. So if it's not public, go ahead and select it. Select the three dots in the top right and then select where mine says Make Private, select Make Public. So from there, select your place and open it up. And then once it says Creations at the top and your place, select the three lines again in the top left. And in this menu, under your place's name, scroll down until you get to monetization and select passes. So what we're going to do is create what's called a game pass. And a game pass is the donation button on our stand in Please Donate. So go ahead and select Create a Pass. And then you can upload an image if you want to, and that will be seen by anyone who hovers over your pass. But all you need to do is give it a name. Make sure that you don't break Roblox's rules here because you can get in trouble. So I gave it a name. I'm going to scroll down. You can give it a description too, but I'm just going to select Create Pass. Once you've created it, you'll see it show up in your list of passes here, and that's the one Make a Stand. And if you scroll to the right, you'll see Off Sale. So we need to list it as on sale and then tell how many Robux we want. And that's how much will get donated to us in Please Donate. So go ahead and select the Game Pass we just created. Once it opens up and you see the settings for the Game Pass, select the three lines again to the left and then select Sales and then just toggle on Item for Sale. And now we need to list how much we want the price of that Game Pass to be. Keep in mind, Roblox keeps 30% of this as a transaction fee. So if you do 100 Robux, you're only going to get 70 because Roblox keeps the other 30. So I'm going to do 50. You can enable regional pricing if you want to, but I'm going to disable it. And then I'll just select Save Changes. So now once it says Pass updated successfully, you can go back if you want to, select the little back button, create as many Game Passes as you want. But now we have a Game Pass and we can create a stand. So I'm going to select the X to close the creation screen. Then I'll go back home. And I'm just going to go to Please Donate because we're ready to make a stand. So once you get into Please Donate, just go up to an empty stand and it should look like that. And it says unclaimed. And when you go up to it, it'll say claim and you just need to hold down on it. And then there you go. You now have your stand. If you want to edit your stand so that it looks unique like mine or has unique text, just go up to it where it says edit, long press that. And then you can first select a different booth. And I only had 2 available, but I'll go back to that just so you can see what that looks like. And then if you want to change the text, select text and just type anything you want to. And once you type the text, hit the X and you can close that. And then as you can see, that text will be updated on your stand. And that's how you get a stand and Please Donate. So there's the Game Pass we just created. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.